Yo guys, Leggy here, and today we're going to be doing another crypto video as the last one did pretty well, in my opinion, for the first one. So, we're going to look at some interesting news, some which is really like conflicting news, really. So, firstly, we're going to look at whale number 3. So, I'm going to bring up this tweet by the Chain Reaction, a very good Twitter account. Go and follow some of these if you want. They're all very informative. But he said, whale number 3 is, aka the ex-wife, is the third largest known non-exchange BTC wallet. Whale 3 has a tendency to sell into strength in increments of 1,500 Bitcoin, and did that today as well as March 1st. She had really good timing before the May 21 crash. So this probably means that we're at the start of real strength in the market, but it could also mean that there's a crash incoming, so we'll have to wait and see for signs of that. So he also goes on to say, watch what they do, not what they say. On blockchain you can. I check in on whale wallets, often see what others are thinking. Here, wallet 3 unloaded 1,500 Bitcoin on March 1st, showing some caution. Wallet 3 generally sells into pumps, sometimes early, but never panic sells. So they're saying they've got really good strength in market and they know what they're doing, basically. And if you look at the graph, it does show that historically they have pretty much got it bang on. Also, guys, if you guys are really interested in this sort of stuff, there's a Twitter account on Twitter which is called Whale Alert, and if I'm honest, there's been a lot of whale action in the last couple of days, so I think something big is coming. Is there going to be a correction before we take the further step up? Who knows? I know everyone can make educated guesses, but no one really knows what's going to happen in the market. Although, something which contradicts this, obviously, is yesterday, a couple days ago, but it made for major news yesterday, is that Terra plans to buy 10 billion in Bitcoin for its reserves. Just so you guys know how much that is, from this tweet by Lark Davis, what a legend. He's came out and said that is literally twice the amount of Bitcoin as Tesla and MicroStrategy combined. So that just shows you how much they are actually buying here. And Blockworks, which is a brilliant information site if you've got Twitter as well, because they do keep up everyone with everything. They also said Terra now holds 946 million in Bitcoin, making them the 40th biggest holder in the world. So they're well on their way. I think they're doing big amounts quarterly to get to their goal. And also all the comments have looked at their exchange and they're saying that it's over 1 billion now. So yeah, they're massive. Institutional buying is always brilliant for the strength of Bitcoin, for it to go up, because it's the thing which leads to mass adoption. Therefore, the conclusion which I'm making from this video is, from the whale movement we've seen, there could be a slight retracement in the short term for the price of Bitcoin. But in the long term, not even long term, in the mid to long term, I am still very bullish. I like to say that, like every crypto YouTuber, I am not a financial advisor, and do your own research before making your own investments.